We're gonna do it on the other side. I'm just trying to see if this side will fit. What's going on, man? We back. We tried to mount up today, but man, it is so hot outside. But we tried to mount up today, and of course, as everything goes with these old cars, it's never as easy as it should be. So I was putting the wheels on, you know, going over video, man. Then I got frustrated with the whole situation as I was trying to, and I just deleted all the footage, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna give everybody an update on what's going on with this to see if they know how to fix this, because man, it's such a common problem on old GM cars. Like, I hate it. My Monte Carlo had the same problem. My 77 didn't have that problem. It was fine, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Man. So we tried to bolt up today, and what happened was, conversating with shipping companies and people that sell this stuff, I asked them like 5 or 6 times, man, do these fit? Do these fit without any issues? And he's like, yeah, man, you may have to do a little trimming in the front to get them to fit. And the front fit just fine. The problem is the back doesn't fit very well. So that's why it's on jack stands in the back. I gotta finish jacking the other side up. The problem I'm having is that they hit the fender on the inside. Like, I can get in there, but if I let the car down, the wheels hit inside the fender right on the cup. So I think the back spacing is just wrong. But he said that's the only back spacing they offer and they fit. And he sent me pictures of a car just like mine if they just done a set of wheels like this on. But I don't know if they had the rear end shortened on it or not to make them fit. And I did look around. All the companies just offer 24x10s. None of them have 24x9. So you see they're all on. But I can't put the car down because I took this trim ring off anyway, but like I have no space between there. So I have to get it back up, take the wheels back off, and just another little step in these old cars. And the crazy part is I can't return them, so I gotta go with these wheels. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and, I don't know, get the rear end shortened about 1 inch on each side, and that'll fix everything. But that's gonna cost me $1,500 or so, which I didn't plan on spending that. I plan on just sticking the wheels on and riding, but who knows, man. There's a guy in my comments on my last video that said he has the same setup on his car, and hopefully he'll comment on this video and be like, yeah, this is what I had to do to get him to fit. But as of right now, they gotta come back off, and we gotta come up with a plan to get them to fit. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all did to get them to fit, because right now, it ain't fitting for me. I was trying to pull it out this weekend so I can go to the 12th Street Cruise, get y'all some content out there, but yeah, definitely ain't gonna work out. So yeah, y'all let me know if y'all have this wheel set up, how'd you get them to fit on the back? Like I said, it's just a back spacing issue. I wish they would have said something ahead of time. I'll probably reach out to them tomorrow, see if we can get it straightened out. But if not, it is what it is. I'll figure it out. Let's keep moving forward. It's just part of the old school car game. So yeah, quick video, man, letting y'all know that we're trying to mount up and it ain't happening. So we'll figure it out, try to mount up again in another video. See y'all in the next video.